In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apollo.io's email templates to streamline your outreach process and start connecting with leads more effectively. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and customize Apollo's email templates to get the best results, whether you're using it for cold emailing or following up on potential prospects. If you're new to Apollo.io, you're in for a treat. This powerful platform allows you to automate email campaigns with templates that are designed to improve your outreach strategy. And the best part? You can get started for completely free through the link in the description below, where we're offering exclusive bonuses for new users. Now let's dive into the email templates. First, when you're logged into Apollo.io, head over to the emails section in the dashboard. From here, you can start creating, managing, and optimizing your email templates. When you create a new template, you'll notice that Apollo gives you the option to build emails from scratch or select from a variety of pre-made templates that are already optimized for outreach. These pre-made templates are especially helpful if you're just getting started and don't know where to begin. They're designed with different purposes in mind, from initial contact emails to follow-ups. To create a new template, simply click on the Create Email Template button. From here, you can choose a subject line, body text, and even personalize your message with dynamic fields like first names, company names, and more. These variables make it easy to customize your messages at scale, which is a huge time saver if you're dealing with multiple prospects. Once you've selected your base template or created one from scratch, you can test it out by sending test emails to yourself. This allows you to check the formatting and make sure everything looks right before sending it to your list of contacts. Testing is crucial to ensure your emails don't end up in the spam folder and that your message resonates with the audience. Another powerful feature of Apollo.io's email templates is the A/B testing functionality. If you want to see which version of your email template performs best, you can create variations and test them against each other. Apollo.io will automatically track metrics like open rates and click-through rates, so you can see what's working and what's not. When it comes to follow-up emails, Apollo.io makes it super easy to set up automated sequences. After your first email is sent, you can configure the system to send follow-ups at specific intervals. You can use the same template or create a new one for each follow-up, depending on how you want to structure your outreach. This automation saves you hours of manual work, letting you focus on scaling your outreach campaigns instead of micromanaging every email. Another great feature to take advantage of is Apollo's analytics. After sending out your email templates, you can track engagement and fine-tune your messaging. Whether it's the subject line, the body copy, or the CTA, the data will give you insight into what needs to be optimized for higher conversions. Now, to wrap up, I want to remind you that Apollo.io's email templates are designed to help you get better results faster. Whether you're reaching out to cold leads, nurturing prospects, or following up with potential clients, these templates can be a game changer for your outreach strategy. Don't forget, the best way to get started with Apollo.io is through the exclusive Cialis link in the description below, where you can grab an extended free trial, with additional bonuses to make your experience even better. So to recap, use the pre-built templates or create your own, test them out, automate your follow-ups, and leverage the analytics to improve your campaigns. By doing this, you'll be able to engage with your leads more effectively, save time, and drive better results. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out that free trial link in the description to start using Apollo.io today.